Before buying any VPN, there's one important question you should ask. What problem am I actually trying to solve? Is it privacy? Is it streaming? Is it public Wi-Fi security? Or is it simply avoiding expensive monthly VPN subscriptions? Today, I'm going to walk you through iProVPN's 5-year plan, not as a hype deal, but as a long-term decision. iProVPN is designed for everyday VPN users, not tech experts. This is for people who want safer browsing, access to blocked content, protection on public Wi-Fi, and a VPN they don't need to constantly configure if you're looking for extreme anonymity tools or advanced manual networking. This isn't that. But if you want simple, reliable, and affordable long-term protection, that's where iProVPN fits. Server network and global access, reality check. iProVPN operates 250 plus servers across 45 plus countries. Now, this is not the biggest server network in the industry, but it's well distributed. You get servers in North America, Europe, Asia, Middle East, Australia. For most users, this is more than enough to change virtual locations, avoid regional restrictions, access international content. There's also a Smart Connect option that automatically picks the fastest server, useful if you don't want to think about locations at all. Streaming and geo-restrictions, practical use. Streaming is one of the main reasons people buy VPNs, so let's be clear here. iProVPN works with Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, BBC, iPlayer, Hotstar. You're not getting magic access to every library on Earth, but for popular platforms, it does the job reliably. This is especially useful if content is blocked in your country. Certain shows are missing from your local library. Security and privacy explained simply, iProVPN uses AES 256-bit encryption. That's the same encryption standard used by banks and governments. What does that mean for you? Your browsing data is unreadable, your IP address stays hidden. Hackers on public Wi-Fi can't intercept your traffic. Important protections included kill switch, cuts internet if VPN disconnects, IP, DNS and IPv6 leak protection, zero logs policy, no activity tracking. This is the foundation of any serious VPN, and iProVPN checks these boxes. Built-in extras that matter long-term. This is where iProVPN quietly adds value. You also get ad blocking, faster, cleaner browsing, malware and malicious domain blocking, NAT firewall for extra protection, P2P-friendly servers for downloads. These features reduce the need for separate ad blockers, extra browser security extensions, less software, less clutter. Protocols and performance control. iProVPN supports multiple VPN protocols including WireGuard Open VPN, TCP and UDP, IKEv2, IPsec, L2TP, and PPTP. If you don't know what these are, that's okay. iProVPN can automatically select the best protocol based on your network. You only need to change settings if you want to fine-tune performance. Device support and flexibility. One subscription supports up to 10 devices at once, compatible with Windows and Mac OS, Android and iOS Fire TV, Roku, Kodi browsers, Linux, Chromebook, Raspberry Pi gaming consoles via router setup. If you set it up on a router, every device in your home is protected automatically. Honest look at user feedback. On Stack, Social, 4.1, 5 rating, 78 verified reviews. Most positive feedback highlights stable connections, good streaming performance, excellent value for money. Some users mention bugs or kill switch issues, especially on older app versions. That's worth knowing. However, updates are included. 24/7 live chat support is available. At this price point, transparency matters. The price logic. Think long term. Let's do simple math. $19 for 5 years. That's $4 per year, $33 per month. Most VPNs charge that every single month. If you just want a VPN that works without ongoing payments, this pricing alone makes iProVPN worth considering. iProVPN isn't trying to be the most famous VPN in the world. What it offers instead is strong fundamentals, practical features, wide compatibility, and an extremely low long-term cost. For students, families, travelers, streamers, or casual users, this is a very low-risk VPN investment. The link is in the description. Take your time, read the details, and choose what makes sense for you. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.